don't want to make that grabbable. So there's a little grabbable toggle down there, so I don't actually grab it. It also snaps
Oh,
it to a grid,
yeah, that's
You wanna
nice.
play catch an eye? Okay, sure.
and depending on your process, you can recolor this.
Oh,
Just you, me, and the moon. Are you guys
Blue seems to be a really easy to read color, which is
Ironic.
yeah.
I can't wait to see how this improves with the index. Oh my god.
Stick.
All right, so let's build your thing. We've got
Stick.
string.
I have big stick.
Right. What is going on with my character right now?
My body. Yep. That usually happens when there's a really big.
Why? Get rid of.
This makes the whole thing grabbable, right? I see.
Please get rid
Gotcha.
of. I'm freaking out.
Look at you, man, putting in icons and stuff. Dude, you're doing some really nice work in Neos. This is impressive.
Thank you.
Add
what's
comment.
your
What's your add
function?
comment gonna do?
Add
What's
comments.
your function?
You put that.
You waiting for a
Nah.
post?
Write it in. Hi. We're gonna make that text color go to.
Oh, commenting your code. I see. I tend to
Oh, it
use
does
my
actually.
brush because it's faster for me to write.
He has it inversed. He broke the function.
Wow, that's nice.
Let's do the rest of this. You have. Right. You have a string input. Impulse relay. Impulse relay you would actually put in here. Bam. So now you have an impulse relay on the side.
Oh yeah.
You can put any inputs you want in here though.
What do these side buttons do?
That's what adds inputs and outputs.
Oh my god, look at this. What are you? This is nuts.
So what would you be outputting? You'd be outputting a string, I'm assuming. So
Yeah.
you click on string. And you can rename that, double click it, and start typing in whatever. So,
Oh, my keyboard didn't come up.
that's because I clicked it.
Oh.
Okay, good.
There we go.
Right, so you're writing into a string. You're getting the string. And using an impulse relay to get from this thing. Let's move that along. Would you make this an input as well?
Yeah, so that is an input. Yep.
I'm not sure.
So this is
I'm not sure either.
So you'd have a
so
string input
localhost
here.
string.
Plug that in, plug in your impulse relay. Right into there, output there. Move that to be more central. Scale it down. And this is just
Get string, yep. Very nice. I'm gonna have to update. I'm gonna play with this and update my my sample LogiX world with these. This is really nice looking.
Oh, actually, no, it wouldn't be get string saved. It would be get string buffered. So now it's gonna, like, as you've got it set up, it would just buffer the string you write it in. You could also have an impulse out. Call that
Bottles right here.
on get and have it output, so it has a pass through.
So then when you save this into your inventory, you're gonna be able to actually read it. Is that big enough to actually read the screenshot that it takes for your inventory? Oh man, that's even nicer. Holy shit.
And it also sets the name in your inventory, so if you click on it, you can just read the name at the top.
Motherfucker. Where was that button that you just collapsed everything? This? Goddamn cups flying through here. What the hell? Wow, dude.
And it scales your node based on your input. So if you have like a really big multiplexer on the input, and you scale it like that, and then you shrink it down. It's scaling all the inputs, so it's all fits.
That is awesome. You've put a lot of work into this. How many hours do you think you've put into this?
This one, I'd say 10, 12
10
hours.
to 12 hours? That's it? That's awesome.
We're building a 4.0 now.
What do you do for a day job, man?